Today we have a revision for grade 8, units 10, 11 and 12. We begin with the vocabulary question. Choose the correct words from A, B, C and D. Number 1. I space from a bad headache today. Suffer, stare, boil, invent. So the answer is suffer. Number 2. Experiments are done to space facts. Entertain, cry out, prove, damage. Are done to prove facts. Number 3. Some vegetables must be space before eating. Must be peeled, exploded, progressed, expected. The answer must be peeled. Number 4. You should think in a way if you want to be a scientist. Rare way, urban way, creative way, fictional way. The answer, you should think in a creative way. Question B, vocabulary. Fill in the spaces with words from the list. Burn down, outdoor, handle, inventor, expensive. Number 5. Thomas Edison is a really famous inventor. Number 6. Gold is becoming more and more expensive. I bought a bag with a silver. The answer is handle. She is interested in practicing outdoor activities. Then we move to grammar. Number 9. This shop isn't good because space in it is expensive. Everything, anything, everyone, anyone. Because everything is expensive. Means all the things in the shop. Number 10. I think robots most of the work in the future. In the future, it's a future tense. So do, will do, did, have done. Robots will do most of the work in the future. Number 11. If you threw a coin in water, it sinks, will sink, sank. Here we have zero conditional. It's a fact, so we choose the present simple tense. We arrived, space, the hotel very late. We arrived on, in, at, of. We arrived at the hotel. Do as shown between brackets. 13. If we train hard, we win the next match. It's the first conditional, so we use will plus the infinitive. The answer will win. They are going to travel to Paris next month. Ask a question. So we begin with the question word. Where are they going to travel? Next month. 15. Khalid had to finish all the work yesterday. Change into negative. Khalid. We change the past into negative, so we use didn't. Khalid didn't have to finish all the work yesterday. Now we come to the question of language functions. Write what you would say in the following situations. Someone asks you about your plans for the future. You can say I will join the university, or I will be a doctor. Your friend says that respecting old people is a must. Of course, you agree with this idea. So you say, I agree with you. Your brother eats much fast food. You can advise him you shouldn't eat much fast food, or you can say you should eat healthy food. Now we come to the sit book questions. Answer only 3 of the following questions. You can answer 3 and leave 1 question. 19. What can we do to help the environment? We can reuse or recycle all materials. Also, we can reduce the use of energy. Why are inventions important in our life? They make our life easy and comfortable. Some discoveries happen by accident. Give examples. We have some inventions that came by accident, like vaccines, for example, and yellow stickers. There are many ways of being creative. Mention 2. First idea, putting ideas together changing the approach we use for solving a problem, for example. Now we come to writing. Our topic is about advantages and disadvantages of modern inventions. We use many modern inventions every day. Plan and write a report of 2 paragraphs, 10 sentences, about the advantages and disadvantages of modern inventions. You can use the following ideas, words and phrases. The advantages: useful inventions, easy and comfortable, faster, save effort. These are the advantages. The disadvantages: waste time, be lazy, expensive, bad for health. First, you have to write your plan for the topic here using the 2 ideas, advantages and disadvantages. Then you are going to write your topic here in 2 paragraphs, 5 sentences each paragraph. Finally, we come to the reading comprehension. This is the passage. Read the passage first, then answer these questions. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, and D. The best title of this passage is Living in the Camp, Working in a Hospital, An Adventure in the Jungle, Having Fun. The best title is An Adventure in the Jungle. The underlined word crept means moved violently, moved quickly, moved slowly, moved powerfully. Crept means moved slowly. It's the past tense of creep. 25. The underlined pronoun in the last paragraph this paragraph, the pronoun it, refers to leg, tiger, elephant, lightning, and made it go back into the grass. It refers to the tiger. "26. The main idea of the last paragraph is escaping, saving Kamal, having lunch, sleeping." The main idea is saving Kamal. Now answer the following questions with reference to the passage. What kind of transport did the writer use for the trip? He used elephants as transport, means of transport. He used When did they leave the camp for the journey? They left the camp at 6 o'clock in the morning. So the answer at 6 o'clock in the morning. With whom did the writer go to the jungle? He went to the jungle with a guide called Kamal. He went with a guide called Kamal. Why are tigers usually unseen in the afternoon? The answer: because it's usually hot at that time of the day. Thank you and goodbye.